Hey everyone! In this video, we're uncovering the essentials of performance testing. We'll cover everything you need to know, from what performance testing is and why it's essential, to the different types of tests and how to conduct them. We'll also explore the advantages and disadvantages, touch on cloud-based performance testing, and introduce you to some handy tools. Stay tuned to learn how to make your software run like a dream under any conditions. What is performance testing? Performance testing is like a stress test for your software. It helps you understand how your application behaves under different conditions. Imagine your app as a car. Performance testing checks how it performs on smooth highways, normal conditions, and rugged terrains, high stress. The goal is to find any issues that might slow things down or cause failures before your users encounter them. Example: for an e-commerce site, performance testing ensures the site remains responsive during peak shopping times, like Black Friday sales. It checks if the site can handle thousands of simultaneous users without crashing or slowing down. Types of performance testing. Let's break down the main types of performance testing and see how they apply in the real world. Load testing. This simulates typical user load to see how well the software performs. Think of it as checking how a restaurant handles a busy dinner rush. You test the system to ensure it can handle the expected number of concurrent users. Example: testing a news website to ensure it can handle traffic spikes when breaking news hits. Stress testing. Here, you push the system beyond normal limits to find out where it breaks. Imagine testing how a bridge performs under extreme weight loads. Example: testing a video streaming service to see if it crashes when thousands of users start streaming simultaneously during a live event. Spike testing. This involves simulating sudden bursts of high traffic. It's like checking how a car performs when you suddenly slam the accelerator. Example: testing a ticket booking platform to see if it can handle a surge of traffic when concert tickets go on sale. Soak testing. This tests how the system performs over an extended period under a constant load. Think of it as a marathon test for your application. Example: running a social media platform under a steady load for several days to check for performance degradation over time. Endurance testing. Similar to soak testing, but focuses on long-term stability. It's like ensuring your car runs smoothly over thousands of miles. Example: testing an online banking application to ensure it performs well under a constant user load over several months. Volume testing. This tests the application's performance with a large volume of data. It's like checking how a library handles a huge number of books. Example: testing a data analytics tool to ensure it can handle massive data sets without slowing down. Scalability testing. This checks if the system can scale up to accommodate increasing loads. It's akin to testing whether a warehouse can expand its operations as business grows. Example: testing a cloud-based CRM system to see if it can handle increased user activity as the company grows. Why use performance testing? Performance testing is essential because it identifies bottlenecks, finds slowdowns in the system before your users do, ensures stability, makes sure the system remains reliable under expected loads, boosts user experience, prevents crashes and delays that frustrate users, reduces risk, catches issues early to avoid costly post-deployment problems, saves money. Fixing issues during testing is cheaper than dealing with them after release, improves scalability, ensures your system can grow with increasing demand, supports compliance, helps meet industry standards and regulations. Example: by identifying performance issues before a software release, a company can avoid costly downtime and customer dissatisfaction, similar to how pre-flight checks prevent in-flight issues for airlines. How to conduct performance testing. Here's a practical guide to running performance tests. Set up the testing environment. Prepare your testing setup, including the tools and hardware you'll use. Decide what to measure. Determine key metrics like response times and throughput. Plan your tests. Develop scenarios that reflect real-world usage patterns. Set up your tools. Configure the tools you'll use to simulate load and collect data. Create and run tests. Implement your test scenarios and run them. Analyze results. Examine the data to identify performance issues and make necessary adjustments. Iterate. Refine your tests based on findings and retest to ensure optimal performance. Example: if you're testing an online store, set up scenarios that simulate high traffic during sales. Configure tools like JMeter to collect data and analyze results to make performance improvements. Disadvantages of performance testing. While valuable, performance testing has challenges. Resource-intensive, requires significant hardware and software, complex setup, needs specialized skills and knowledge, limited scope, may not detect all types of issues. Potential inaccuracies. Results might not always reflect real-world conditions. Difficulty in simulation. Real-world usage can be hard to replicate accurately. Complex data analysis. Analyzing large datasets can be challenging. Example: simulating real-world traffic for an online store can be complex, and discrepancies between test environments and actual user behavior might lead to unexpected issues. What is cloud-based performance testing? Cloud-based performance testing leverages cloud computing platforms to replicate real-world user traffic and conditions. This modern approach offers unparalleled flexibility and scalability, allowing you to conduct extensive and detailed performance tests without being limited by physical infrastructure constraints. By harnessing the power of cloud resources, you can simulate a wide range of scenarios and stress test your application in ways that were previously impractical or impossible with traditional on-premises setups. Example: imagine launching a new feature for a global e-commerce platform. Using a tool like BlazeMeter, you can emulate thousands of users from various geographical locations simultaneously. This setup helps you gauge how well your application performs under diverse conditions, whether it's a high volume of traffic during a major sale or varying internet speeds across different regions. This global testing capability ensures that your application remains responsive and reliable for users around the world, providing you with actionable insights to optimize performance and improve user experience before the feature goes live. Performance testing tools. When it comes to performance testing, several powerful tools can help you simulate various scenarios and measure your application's behavior under stress. These tools offer a range of features to suit different testing needs, from load and stress testing to scalability assessments. Apache JMeter, a versatile open-source tool that's widely favored for its robust capabilities in load and performance testing. JMeter allows you to simulate thousands of concurrent users, providing detailed insights into your application's capacity and response times. It's particularly useful for testing web applications, databases, and other services. OpenSTA, another open-source tool that excels in scripting and automating performance tests. OpenSTA can generate a substantial load to evaluate your system's performance under different scenarios, making it ideal for complex testing environments. LoadRunner, a comprehensive performance testing solution from Micro Focus that supports a wide range of applications and protocols. LoadRunner is known for its detailed analytics and robust testing features, helping you pinpoint performance issues and optimize system performance effectively. WebLoad, This tool specializes in web and mobile application testing, offering advanced features for simulating real-world traffic patterns and analyzing performance metrics. WebLoad's intuitive interface and powerful analytics help you ensure your web applications can handle expected and unexpected traffic spikes. Gatling, an open-source tool that provides high-performance load testing with a focus on ease of use and powerful scripting capabilities. Gatling's real-time reporting and detailed metrics make it a great choice for developers looking to integrate performance testing into their continuous integration pipelines. BlazeMeter, a cloud-based performance testing platform that extends JMeter's capabilities to the cloud. BlazeMeter enables you to run tests with thousands of virtual users from multiple locations globally. Its user-friendly interface and advanced analytics allow for seamless performance testing and quick identification of issues. Example, Apache JMeter is a go-to tool for load testing, capable of simulating thousands of users to assess how well your application handles peak loads. For instance, if you're launching a new online service, JMeter can help you understand how your system performs under high traffic conditions, providing insights into potential bottlenecks and areas for improvement. Performance testing examples. Speed. Example, imagine a news website during a major breaking news event. Speed testing ensures that users can quickly access and read the latest updates without delays, even when traffic surges. Scalability. Example, for an online retail store preparing for a major sale event, scalability testing ensures that the application can support a substantial increase in users and transactions, maintaining smooth performance even as traffic spikes. Stability. Example, a video streaming service needs stability to ensure that users can watch content without interruptions or performance issues, regardless of how long they stream or how many other users are online. Reliability. Example, a banking app requires high reliability to ensure transactions are processed accurately and securely. Performance testing is essential for ensuring your software can handle any challenge thrown its way. By identifying bottlenecks, improving scalability, and enhancing user experience, performance testing helps deliver a robust and reliable application. With tools and techniques like cloud-based testing, you can streamline the process and achieve better results. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, be sure to check out our other content. Test like a boss.